In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can deposit into Pocket Option. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Pocket Option and you just need to sign into your account. From there, we can go to the top right corner and we'll be able to see this green button which says top up. And then you want to choose the payment method right here. And we just want to choose another. From there, this will take us to this page and this will allow us to see all of the deposit methods. So here we can choose between card payments, e-payments, and also cryptocurrency payments. So you want to choose whichever one suits you best. Now, most people are probably just going to choose cards, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And in order to do this, you must have fully verified your profile first. So if you haven't yet done that, you can go ahead and click verify your profile. And from there, we get taken to this page where we can verify our email and we can also verify our ID. Once you've done that, you have to choose how much you want to buy. And from there, you have to choose one of these gifts for deposit. And as long as you have verified your ID, you'll then be able to go on to the next step and you can start filling out your card information details. Once you've reached number 4, the payment will be taken out of your account and your balance will now be updated with the amount that you just deposited in. So that's how you can deposit into Pocket Option. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.